In this video, I will show you exactly how to know the coin to buy with very little amount of money and will blow up, which can make you a profit of 100%, 100x, or even 1000x. Yes, this is possible because it has happened before and it is still happening. When Bitcoin was launched, the market price started from 1 cent, and as at today, 1 BTC is $42,500. Solana also skyrocketed at the end of 2023. Some people bought this coin when their prices were very low and it made them a lot of money because of their knowledge of fundamental analysis, which I will show you in this video. But before then, good news guys, as a way of spreading love, I will be giving away 50 USDT, that's 5 USDT to 10 people. We will be having clues at different points of this video. So make sure you are paying attention, and instructions to enter the giveaway will be at the end of this video. So make sure that you watch this video to the end. But for now, I will show you how to research the next 100x coin that will do exceptionally well, and how to do your fundamental analysis using CoinMarketCap. Fundamental analysis is very important if you are looking for a coin that will increase by 100%, 200%, 500%, or even 1000%. That's like investing $100 in a coin and getting $10,000, or investing $1,000 in a coin and getting $100,000. So this video is for you. I promise that this video will give you quality value. So relax and let's get straight to the point.
So to get started, the first thing you have to do is to open your Chrome and you go to coinmarketcap.com. This is the homepage of CoinMarketCap. It might be looking so technical and intimidating due to the fact that there's a lot of things going on here. I'm sincerely telling you, this is very easy to use. I'm going to take you through the steps of how to properly use this. So this corner is for coins that are currently trending. As you can see, we have the Psy, we have Myro, and we have Celestial. Psy is going down by 2.16%, and Myro has increased by 14.01%. And Celestial has also decreased by 5.07%. This is the corner for trending coin, and this corner is for the top community, and this is the fear and greed index. So right now it's on 61% greed. If it's on 50, that means that the market is neutral, and if it is less than 50, that means fear is in the market. But right now we are on 61% greed in the market, and here you will see all the cryptocurrency that has been listed on coinmarketcap.com. We have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Tether, we have BNB, Solana, XRP, and many others. So on the first page, we have about 100 crypto that is listed on here. Though on CoinMarket, we have about 8,900 coin that has been listed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have 100 crypto on the first page. So if you want to proceed, you can take the second page till the 88th page. We have about 8,800 crypto that has been listed on coinmarketcap.com. So let's say you're looking for any coin of your choice. Let's pick Cardano ADA. I'm going to open it in a new tab. So this section shows you everything you need to know about this very particular coin. So the current price is $0.49. And when we proceed to see further details about this very particular coin, the market cap of this coin has decreased in the last 24 hours with 3.11%, and the market cap is $17 billion. And in the past 24 hours, the trading volume of this coin is up by 42.48%, and which is about $414 million. The price of this coin has also reduced in the last 24 hours by 3.22%. The most important thing we should look out for is the price of the coin, the market cap, the circulating supply, the total supply, the max supply, and the fully diluted market cap. So the circulating supply is 35.4 billion Cardano ADA, which is about 78.6% of all the Cardano that is going to ever exist in this world. So the total supply is 36.5 billion Cardano ADA, and the max supply is 45 billion ADA. So let me explain how to get your market cap, because this market cap is a very crucial information if you are looking for any coin that you want to buy. So to get your market cap, the market cap is equal to the price of the token you want to buy multiplied by the circulating supply of the coin. So let's check that in our calculator. The price of this coin is 0.4987 multiplied by the circulating supply. The circulating supply is 35 billion 400 million 262 1,784, which is equal to 17.6 billion. So that is how to simply calculate your market cap. I'm going to explain this market cap properly in this video and why it is important for you to consider your market cap when you are looking for a coin to invest in. So to get our fully diluted market cap, you have to multiply the price of the token multiplied by the max supply. That is 0.49 multiplied by 45 billion Cardano ADA, and it is going to give you $22.4 billion. So that is how to go about that. So if you want to find out everything about the very particular token, all you have to do is just to go to About. This will show you all the details. Cardano is a proof of stake Bitcoin platform that says its goal is to allow change makers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about positive global change. So make sure that you read this part properly because it is important to know about the coin you want to put your money into.
So let me quickly tell you about the sponsor of this video, asbtc.ng. asbtc is a company that specializes in buying cryptocurrency and gift cards from every part of the world. asbtc is a company that I've been trading with for quite some time now, and I can boldly say that I have never had any issues with them, from good rates to fast trade and quick payments. So you can reach out to them with the details on your screen whenever you have gift cards or cryptocurrency to sell. So let's get back to our main video.
So the next thing we have to check is the details of the founder. So who are the founder of Cardano? Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who was also one of the founder of Ethereum network. He is the CEO of IOHK, the company that built Cardano blockchain. Sometimes you can get all the details you need about the founder on CoinMarket, but I do go out of CoinMarket to find out more details about the founder of a particular coin because it is important for you to know who created the token you want to put your money into. So we can now copy the name of the founder and then take it straight to Google to know who this person is. From the details we got on here, he is an American entrepreneur. He's 36 years old. So we can also check his about. Charles Hoskinson is an American entrepreneur who is a co-founder of the blockchain engineering company. From what we've got here, we can see that he's actually a reputable person. He has done great things. He's a co-founder of the blockchain engineering company and was also a co-founder of the Ethereum blockchain platform. So if we want to make more research about this very particular coin, we can go back to CoinMarketCap. So after checking through the information of the creator of Cardano, you can also proceed by finding more information on this very particular coin. So you can come to this section right here where you see the website and the white paper. So these are two things that are very important when you are doing your fundamental analysis. Let's get into the website and see some things about this coin. So this is what the official website of Cardano looks like. Then we can check everything we want to know about this coin here, like the benefits. Cardano restore trust to the global system, creating through science a more secure, transparent, and sustainable foundation for individuals to transact and exchange. So we can read everything we want to know about this very particular token on their official website. So after checking this, we can now proceed to check the white paper. So let's open this up. So it is very important to do this research when you want to buy any coin, especially a coin you want to hold for a long time, except on special cases when you have someone that has done this research by themselves and probably will suggest the coin for you to buy. But it is still important for you to check things out yourself because that is what I usually do. Even when somebody suggests a coin to me, I still go an extra mile to check out every details and the research that are necessary for me to do before I just put my money into this coin because I don't want to lose my money. So that is why it is very important to do your research. So after checking through the details of the founder, their website, and the white paper, there's another important thing that we need to check, which is their community. We need to check on their Twitter. So let's open it up. So we can just go through their Twitter community and check what other people has been saying about this very particular token. So we check their latest news, we check everything that we need to know so that we can know if this token is actually safe to buy or not. So since we've done a lot of research and find out all the details necessary about this particular coin, let's go back to this section. Let's do analysis on how to get that coin that will do exceptionally well. So the current market cap of this coin is $17.3
billion. That means that if you're expecting an 100% increase from this coin, it means the market has to times 2, which is like 34.6 billion. That is, if you are buying at $0.49, you have to wait until it reach about $0.98 for you to make an 100% profit. This is very achievable, especially in the bull market, but you can't expect this to happen in a very short time, like a week or two. But in crypto, actually anything can happen, and that is based on the market sentiment. But if you want to look for a coin that will quickly do an 100% increase or that you can quickly make profit from, you will have to look for coin with small market cap, and this coin with just small push, they actually skyrocket. Then I will have to go back to the home page. So now we have to look for coin that have small market cap. So it is important for us to look out for our entry points. We have to know when we are buying so that we don't just go and buy top coin, and this will take a lot of time to make good profits, and sometimes people even lose their money from buying top coin. So let's go to the bottom of the table to check for coin that has a very low market cap. So looking at this coin, Demo has increased by 2.38% in the last 1 hour, by 0.1% in the last 24 hours, and 3.24% in the last 7 days. So as you can see, the market cap of Demo is $112 million, and it is easy for this type of coin to do 100% profit or even a 1000% profit. So if this coin is doing a 1000% increase, then we'll be having about $1 billion plus, and that is very achievable in the crypto market. It is very possible. That means that if you invest like $100 in this coin, you will get about $1000, which is very cool. So it is better to invest in crypto with little market cap, like 100 million, 50 million. It is still very fine. But if it is actually too low, like 5 million, 1 million, then it is another risk on its own, because there's tendency that the coin might actually reduce back to zero. We've had situations like that before. But when coin is already above $100 million in market cap, they've actually proved themselves to be worthy of someone's trust. So it is cool, we can put our money into it. So coin that are still at 100 million market cap can easily do times 100% or even 1000%. So this is how to do your fundamental analysis to know coin that will do a 100% profit, a 1000% profit, or even more. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I drop crypto updates and personal finance tips, which include how to make money both online and offline. So make sure to join, and I will see you there. So to the part you've all been waiting for, the giveaway. At different points throughout this video, you are probably seeing this logo. Now to enter the giveaway, comment how many times this logo show up in this video, and by February 10, I'll pick 10 random subscribers that will get 5 USDT for free in their Binance wallet. To register your Binance, you can use my referral link in the description below. 5 USDT is about 6,800 Naira. That's free money. So kindly like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified whenever we drop a new video on this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.